Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shariful Islam. Today I am going to explain my final year project poster. My project topic is disease recognition. In my project, I have tried to concern with a new approach to the development of clinical disease recognition model using decision tree algorithm. The developed model is able to recognize 133 different types of diseases. I have used 5 different algorithms to make a better prediction. Finally, decision tree algorithm have given a better prediction with 88% accuracy. I'm going to explain shortly from the data collection until getting the expected output. Introduction. Deep learning is going to be used in every sphere of our life. For an example, deep learning can assist in identifying anomalies in X-ray of the chest, and by leveraging the innate nature of deep learning being mathematically substantiated. Companies are trying to use it to predict abnormalities. Sooner it will be possible to completely understand and analyze a patient's health history and recommend the appropriate treatment. This project is describes recent development in medical learning. So why do we need AI? These are the main criteria in which fields AI are helping us. Keeping oil, early detection, diagnosis, decision making, treatment, end of life care, research, and also the training. The significance of my project. The main threat of life is disease. If we can conduct AI with medical science, success rate will be increased. Even man can be aware of upcoming diseases. AI can help human to early detection and diagnosis, treatment, as well as outcome prediction and prognosis evolution. One of the major potential benefit of AI is helping people stay healthy so they don't need a doctor, or at least not as often. The objectives of my projects are figure out the algorithm and technique that would be relevant to the project. Try to predict diseases by analyzing symptom dataset. Try to pretend the upcoming future diseases like pandemic. Try to build an environment where human and medicine and machine can work together for better life. Project roadmap. For my project, I have collect my datasets from the Kaggle. Then I have analyzed this data in Google Colab, Python, using Python and also using Jupyter Notebook. And after that, I have used some techniques like decision tree, logistic regression, random forest model, and also naive Bayes. Then I have split the dataset in training data and also the test data. Methodology for every algorithm. First of all, I have tried to collect the best dataset for my project. Then I have a pre-processing, some pre-processing. After that, some visualization uh, need to for which algorithm is perfect for this dataset. Then I have used the algorithm. Then I have analyzed this algorithm or output by statistical analysis. After that, I have tried to predict. Now I am going to explain 4 algorithms. First of all, decision tree. In decision tree, we start by predicting a class level for the record from the root of the tree. In decision tree, we compare the root attribute values with the attribute of that record. Based on based on the comparison, we follow the branch corresponding to that value and jump to the next node. Suppose Suppose for decision tree, from the decision tree we can go decision node and and another decision node. We will comparison and which node will be approved, then we will jump the next node. That's the main process. The aim of the using a decision tree is to create the training model that can be applied to predict the class or value of the target variable by learning basic rules of judgment based on prior data. Now the random forest model. Actually, random forest model is the update version for the decision tree model. The random forest model is a model composed of several trees for decision. That means it's a multiple decision tree. Random forest or random decision forest are an assemble classifier regression or other task which functions by creating a multitude of decision trees at the training stage and generating the class which of the class model or mean prediction of the different trees. Now, the naive-Bayes algorithm. Naive-Bayes algorithm is all about this equation. This equation is built for conditional probability. This means that there will be a condition, there will be a given condition, and based on this given condition, the prediction will be verified. Logistic regression is an algorithm used only for classification when the target variable of a definite value. Logistic regression is a special kind of regression algorithm in which this algorithm will convert any number between 0 to 1. This specification will help us to um, convert any number into a smaller number. This smaller number will help us to build a good visualization on our data set. From this accuracy graph, it's clear that decision tree is the best tree for this data set with 88% accuracy. So for my project, I have some plan for the future. I will try to enhance the accuracy and I will try to work on bigger data set and I will try build a demo application for patient. This is all about my project poster and thank you so much.